Aiming high, taller and taller buildings, more and more complex bridge structures, even more difficult layouts. These are typical of the architecture of our times. All over the world, aiming high with high expectations and with answers from Doka. The requirements and objectives are completely different in each case, and so are the solutions that Doka offers. But they all have one clear goal in common: to get concrete into the right shape, and to obtain concrete of the very highest quality. Getting concrete into the right shape and the right form. Doka knows how. Its modular systems deliver the right solutions for widely varying situations, based on decades of experience, with the most varied construction tasks in many different countries and for the whole spectrum of architecture. Concrete in top form. Climbing formwork systems from Doka are the right answer when it comes to achieving this goal. Doka technicians work closely with the client's planners to put together the most suitable solutions, exactly tailored to each individual situation and to the requirements of the specific structure. Doka helps you decide which is the right system for you and for your success on the site, individually, flexibly, and thus efficiently. With a modular system that has the right climbing technology solution for every structure. What they all have in common are the very high standard of safety, combined with extremely high cost effectiveness and the easy and safe handling of the system. For both crane-lifted and self-climbing systems, Doka has the largest and most flexible range of solutions on the market, anywhere in the world, fulfilling the very highest expectations. With the Doka climbing formwork MF240, for example, it's very easy to set up and can be quickly lifted and reset by crane. Because it's a flexible modular kit system, the MF240 can be extended and upgraded in many ways. For example, into the Doka climbing formwork system GCS. This is used in situations where higher wind speeds are encountered and safe, fast crane lifts are required. It's guided directly on the structure itself, meaning that it's securely attached to the structure during every phase of the work. The system is rounded off with some highly practical solutions. The Doka Windshield GCS for protection from the weather, and of course for ensuring a high level of safety during floor stab forming operations. The Doka lifting platform GCS for moving the equipment safely. These solutions are highly flexible and require only minimal crane time. This makes them ideal for many different applications. Lifting and resetting with no need for a crane. This is where Doka automatic climbing formwork comes in. It's flexibly adaptable to the structure, angle adjustable, and is designed for climbing a large number of units at the same time. One single system in two different versions. Doka Automatic Climbing Formwork SKE50. This is the easiest, but also the most flexible, automatic climbing technology system anywhere in the world. It extends the climbing formwork MF240 by adding automatic climbers. It can also be used for forming facades. For high formwork platforms and heavy loads, Doka Automatic Climbing Formwork SKE100 is the system of choice. It lets you de-link the forming and rebar operations, as the high formwork platforms enable reinforcement placement to proceed ahead of the other operations. What this means for you is even faster cycle times and, of course, greater flexibility and efficiency. Here's another forming machine, the Doka platform SCP. One stroke of the hydraulic cylinders brings the entire site upwards. Used where the structure geometries remain constant and where a cost-saving system is needed for all forming and reinforcing work and for site infrastructure-related operations. The storage area on the platform can bear very heavy loads, and this saves a lot of valuable crane time. A logical system. A system that provides the optimum formwork solution for every task. Doka helps its customers find the right system for their sites, so as to ensure its customers' success. Doka customers have justly high expectations. High expectations that Doka can fulfill.